So you've been practicing mindfulness and want to know an interesting angle on it? In this very short video, we'll explore and clarify what mindfulness means in such important aspects of life as relationship and sex. By the end of video, you'll hear hilarious joke about mindful sex. Let's begin. Yes, mindfulness can be applied to various aspects of life, including relationship and sex. Mindful sex involves being fully present and attentive to sensations, thoughts, and emotions during sexual activity. This can enhance intimacy, connection, and pleasure between partners. Practicing mindfulness during sex can involve focusing on sensations such as touch, smell, and taste, as well as being aware of your breathing and bodily movements. It can also involve maintaining an open and non-judgmental attitude towards your own experience and that of your partner. Mindful sex can deepen intimacy, increase satisfaction, and foster a greater sense of connection between partners. Let's now focus on mindfulness in relationship. In a mindful relationship, partners cultivate awareness, empathy, and understanding towards each other. It involves being fully present and attentive to each other's needs, feelings, and experiences. Mindful relationships prioritize open communication, active listening, and non-judgmental acceptance. Partners practice empathy, compassion, and kindness towards one another, fostering a deep sense of connection and intimacy. They also strive to be aware of their own thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, taking responsibility for their actions and their impact on the relationship. By practicing mindfulness in their relationship, partners can cultivate greater trust, respect, and harmony, leading to a more fulfilling and satisfying partnership. In a conclusion, and as a reward for listening, here is your promised mindfulness joke. Why did the mindful couple bring a meditation cushion to bed? Because they wanted to find inner peace, an outer pleasure. Now that you know what mindfulness means in relationship and sex, go practice.